We just got up at almost 9 o'clock and it's so hot in the sleeping bag. Oh my gosh. So I'm finally getting going this morning, 9:30. We slept down there by the creek where there was lots of frogs and lizards. Got in, I think I was laying in my sleeping bag by 3:13 in the morning. It's definitely an adventure last night. So we went 26.5 miles yesterday by midnight, but if you count from waking up to going to sleep, it was like 33 miles, so that was pretty good. Lots and lots and lots and lots of wind from the wind farm. And then a big climb, and I pushed through. I was the first one down here. I was like, whoa, go machine. Just kidding, it was fun. And it was also fun to be the first one to camp for once, even if it was at 3 a.m. Some of the views that were missed last night in the dark. You can see the edge of the wind farm that went on for ever and ever and ever. Here's a little glimpse of the wind farm that we hiked through for 6 crazy miles last night. Oh my gosh. And then we went up and over those mountains and down into the creek way down there. Now we're going back up and in the hot sun. Oh, see some snow. All right, son, please go take a break so I can go up this hill. Nice and cool. Please, thank you. There's Michael. Hello. Climbing, climbing, climbing. I climb out here all day. Woo-hoo. Still going up. About 1,000 feet to go until break time. Break time. It's so hot. Getting some shade for a second by laying in a bush. Yo, you guys, just so you know, hiking 8 miles up a mountain in mid-morning after hiking 33 miles into 3 a.m. Not a great shout. Not a great shout. I'm less than 2 miles from the oasis. I want the oasis. I think it's a little purple super bloom over on that mountain. There was just a super cool place that people stock with water and snacks and stuff. So nice of them, because otherwise it would suck. Also, there's Baden Powell.
I could not tell you, even in the slightest, what in the world I'm talking about here, but it looks interesting.
About 4 more miles to get down to the road to Tehachapi. So I guess I'm back in wind farm territory.